The Schlage Encode is a smart keypad lock that may need resetting to resolve issues of forgotten codes, Wi-Fi connectivity problems, or when transferring ownership. This video guides you through a full reset covering Wi-Fi, codes, and app pairing, bringing the lock back to its factory default settings. A reset clears all personalized settings, so ensure you have the necessary credentials before proceeding. Resetting your Schlage Encode is necessary in several situations to ensure it works properly and stays secure. If you've forgotten your user codes and can't access the lock, a reset allows you to start fresh with new codes. Persistent Wi-Fi connection drops can disrupt remote access. Resetting clears network settings and helps re-establish a stable connection. Software glitches can occur after firmware updates. A reset clears these issues and restores the lock to a stable state. When transferring ownership, a reset ensures all previous settings and codes are cleared for the new user. As of 2026, resets ensure compatibility with evolving smart home ecosystems like Matter protocol integrations. Resets help address potential security vulnerabilities by clearing old settings and applying the latest protections. Regular resets every 6 to 12 months mitigate software drift and help maintain optimal performance. Before resetting, ensure the Schlage Encode lock is powered on with working AA batteries. Back up any critical data, such as programmed user codes, as the reset will erase all settings. Have your Wi-Fi network name and password readily available for reconnection. Ensure you have access to the Schlage Home app on your device and any other relevant app credentials like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The primary method involves these steps. First, remove the battery pack from the interior side of the lock for 10 seconds, then reinsert it. Alternatively, press and hold the Schlage button on the keypad for approximately 10 seconds until the lock beeps and the keypad lights flash. The lock will then display reset on the screen, indicating the process has been initiated. Be aware that some older models may prompt for a default code, such as 1234, before fully resetting. After the factory reset, the Wi-Fi connection will be cleared. Open the Schlage Home app on your mobile device. Navigate to the lock settings. Select the option to forget the current Wi-Fi network. Initiate a new Wi-Fi scan within the app. Select your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted to re-establish the connection. Ensure your router is within range of the lock for optimal signal strength. Following the reset, the lock will need to be repaired with the Schlage Home app. First, in the app, delete the lock from your device list. Next, use the app to add the lock again, typically done by scanning a QR code or entering the serial number located on the lock or in the product documentation. Then, follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete the pairing process. Bluetooth is often used for the initial setup. With the lock reset and reconnected to Wi-Fi and the app, you'll need to reprogram user codes. Within the Schlage Home app, navigate to the User Management section. Add new user codes, ensuring each code is unique and secure. Test each code after programming to confirm it unlocks the door correctly. Consider setting up temporary codes for guests or service providers. If you encounter issues after resetting, ensure your Wi-Fi router is compatible and has a strong signal. Double-check that the Schlage Home app is up to date, as outdated versions can cause connectivity problems. For persistent problems, consult Schlage's official support documentation or community forums for solutions. Regularly update the lock's firmware via the app to maintain security and performance. A successful reset and setup enhances your smart home security.